He really is about to bite the shit out of you.
I have to call Hal down here.
What's going on? Get his face. Face.
Get him.
Ouais, faut la rate, on va mener, oui. Oui. Bah oui, oui. Hit it. Take care of his work.
Not a good idea. Not as cool as I thought.
Oh my god. He was accurate with that shit. Holy fuck.
Oh man. Oh, my bag, dude. I'm straight. Is there a fucking like mark? I'm scared, dude.
Sure, back, turn around.
Sit right here.
Oh God, hold on, wait till I get the video part.
Sit right here.
Yeah, you're good.
You gotta put your hands up here, so like towards the
You're good.
You better hold
Color,
it.
back up, back up, back up.
Oh, here? Yeah.
Good.
Tuck your legs and stand them up. This he's gonna fall off.
Go.
It's gonna be hilarious.
Go.
The other way, we got some video.
Oh shit. Hey, stop fucking running. Go ahead, stop running.
Keith. Oh, fuck that silver.
He's going after people that run it. Running.